Like these, I think they call them knuckles or something. They're using the original strap that comes with the controllers, as you can see, coming from the bottom there. And it's basically just a hook thing that hooks round the edge of the ring, and then you can wrap the strap round. Then you can, this is left one, I've done a red and blue one to identify the difference, easy look at them. Both the same model, there's no difference in the model, just the colours there. I've printed in PLA. These straps are a bit stretchable, by the way, which is ideal, but that sort of stops on there on my hand. Don't know how to, it's hard to demonstrate it really. And then I have control. It does feel a little bit almost sticking in the hand a bit there. Was it the edge of that? It's a bit hard to tell. This could be moved round a bit. It'll slide along there, but relieve some of the pressure on the spring. On the stretchy, I'll show you that it does stretch. I'm getting this in the camera. So you can stretch that up and unhook it. So wrapping it round, originally I thought I'd have to put this normal piece that you get for wrapping round the wrist, so to speak, in, but no, you pull that to the end. You don't have to be like precisely the same pattern that I'm going in. One thing about this is that this bottom part here is almost sticking out this way. It's firm, sticking out that way, and this wants to be bending round opposite to that. So you might see it against my wrist there. Well, then put the two things through one of the notches. Just a second, let me stretch this out a bit. As I say, you don't have to be precise. Let me try and make sure this is getting in the camera. Right, put the two cords, both cords, through one of them. As I say, I thought this slidey piece might hook on there, but it just moves and slides about. So you wrap it round to the outside. Okay, come back up and then go right round the outside and then pull it down through the other one. Obviously this might need adjusting when you do it. Well, it probably will do. And believe it or not, that is then in there very tight. I can pull on that very hard and that's not going to come off there. I'll just take it off for now. So when you're adjusting it, clip that on. Have the two cords in, want it reasonably firm, and then wrap it round. I mean, I can put it up the notch that way as well. As I say, you don't have to be in the precise same pattern so long as it's doubled over a bit. See, that's coming out there, but I don't think I've done it to the tightness I would normally have it. Pull that in tight. Now that is on there very tight. And slide my hand in. I believe these are called knuckles because it almost goes over the knuckles. And then I've got control of the controller. And I can reach out, and one thing, if you've got a like Oculus on, you might tend to forget that you got hold of the controllers and you go out to grab something and the controller drops. But this will stop it dropping. So far as I know, it doesn't scratch might leave a slight bit of a mark on the controller. I don't particularly recommend this, to be honest with you. I don't think, but it's just, I'll put the model files on and then you can use it, maybe modify them if you want. Say the blue and the red ones are basically just the same. See how that's gone up. Put that down because I think the camera's focusing on that one. Goes up there, goes round and sort of twists round there. But don't bother trying to use this don't know what you want to call it, pinch thing that comes with the controller. Not with this anyway, because this, if you put that up there, because I have tried this, and I know I'm going out there, but I'll put one on one side. The original plan was to do this actually, put that on one side, one on the other, if I can get to. Sometimes it's a bit fiddly, especially when you've got the camera wearing away. There, like that. But see as I pull on this, you can probably see that all that's happening is that is moving up until it reaches the end. So that's no good doing it like that. That was the original plan, but I found that putting both cords through one of the holes, maybe bring them down through the next one, and then say taking it round there and putting it through the original one, and that's very tight. That I am pulling on that, I'm pulling quite hard there. I'll just show you that these do, I think, clip on these without any cord on to a certain extent. As I say, you've got some adjustment there that you can move it round the ring. But if I press that on, that's on there by itself and clipped on. Okay, that's enough of that. If you want to print them out, try them out, that's up to you. But it's probably a cheap way to do it. I don't know how safe these are. To be honest, I haven't done a definitive test, but they seem pretty firm there, you know, for initial things. And yeah, I've still got control. No, it's not sticking in so much now. Yep, so I'll put the files. Oops, because I've knocked it with the other thing, it's knocked off. I'll put the files on the video. Not sure which side is up on this video actually. Right, I'll just leave it at that.